Watch how I turn this into this. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into it. So first we start out by blow drying to stretch out those curls a bit. Then we're gonna put all this hair back into a ponytail. You wanna keep the scrunchie a little bit longer than your desired length, because once we go back and clean up the cut, it's gonna take off some length. You wanna cut above the scrunchie, and voila, there goes our shape. I'm gonna go in with my razor to start cleaning up those lines. The razor helps to minimize those blunt ends. And then I'm going to use the same razor and start creating my shape and all my layers. So the angle that you're cutting this in is very important to the shape that you want to achieve. We're going to do a 45-degree angle just to get some more roundness. And then when I get to the front, I redirect to the back. So we have long pieces in the back, and I get shorter towards the front so we can have a little swoop-de-doop. Now I'm going to go in with my scissors and still point cutting to clean up the lines even more and still reduce the bulk from the ends, because we do not want blunt ends. We don't want any hard lines of demarcation. We want the layers to kind of fall into itself, if that makes sense. And then you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. We're moving through this real quick because, we have the attention span of a goldfish. So now we are curling, and I'm doing spiral curls for the bottom half of this hairstyle because I want to maintain that length. We do not want our bob to be bumped, because then we're going to be out here looking like Dora. So spiral curls help to elongate the look. And then on the top crown area, we're going to go ahead and do barrel curls so we can help maintain that volume and roundness. Did you guys like and subscribe yet? What do I have to do to get y'all to follow instructions? We are about to get into this comb out. Yes, honey. Something that's nice and soft and flirty, perfect for work, perfect for every day, perfect for the club. Soft, effortless, different, fun. Get into it. A traditional sewing will always be my favorite thing to do, to wear, to see other ladies wearing, because it just looks so natural. You cannot tell me that this is not her hair. I mean, come on. Where's her hair? Let me know, because I don't see it. Do you see it? Look how natural and effortless it looks. She's trying to conceal her excitement, but y'all see that little smirk? She's happy. I'm happy. When your stylist gives you a good quality hairstyle, you will happily go on your phone and pay them their worth. And you guys should happily like and subscribe if you reached this far and still haven't.